Water shortages in America and third world countries have reached an all-time high. Meanwhile, non-biodegradable plastic water bottles overfill our landfills, polluting our environment. And reports show that much of the water we're drinking may be unhealthy for us, contaminated with chemicals, bacteria, and even arsenic.
20 years ago, I wasn't worried about water. And now, every time I pick up the paper, the TV, water shortage here, bad water here, contaminated water here.
We throw away 1.5 million plastic bottles an hour in this country. 1.5 million goes into landfills. So it is creating a problem.
Our society knows we have a problem. News is constantly telling us about the problems. And it's not going away, it's only going to get worse.
But what if there was a solution? A way to generate water, the cleanest water ever before possible, in an environmentally safe way, and have it available daily from your own home.
I want that for me and my family because I care about them. I mean, don't you care about your family?
And what if there was a way you could be paid money every week for enabling others to become healthier, while at the same time providing a positive impact to the environment? Sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. Ordinary people just like you are making extraordinary amounts of money doing just that. And they're doing it with no formal education, no business experience, and without a huge outlay of time or money. And they're doing it all from their own home-based businesses. Available for the first time through an incredible business opportunity, the breakthrough technology of the Zayex water systems are changing the way the world finds its drinking water, while creating a way for you to work from home on a part-time basis in business for yourself, enabling you to achieve an income you'd never dreamed possible.
I can help people, bring them clean, safe drinking water, and also I can make a substantial amount of money in this business.
While I'm out at one of my kids' football games, I'm making money. While I'm taking my wife out to dinner, I'm making money. So it's a great, great opportunity.
This was the only option for me. A 9-to-5 job was just too much of a tie down. I did not want to be under someone else's thumb. I needed my freedom.
The Zayex atmospheric water generator does just what its name suggests. It generates clean water from the air, a fusion of science and nature. Test results for Zayex water have measured 99.9% purity, far exceeding EPA requirements, guaranteeing safe and delicious drinking water for your whole family.
Zayex produces this clean, safe, pure drinking water from the air. There's more water in the air on any given moment, on any given day, than if you take all the oceans of the world combined. So you're extracting that moisture from the air to produce this water. So basically, water from air. It's always there.
It's just so exciting to know that I produce my own water in my home. I'm not dependent on some place that I may not know the quality of that water.
Less than 2 hours away, the Navajo Nation of 7,000 people have no running water at all. So right away, we can see immediate solutions provided right in our backyard.
Zayex has the ability to help other countries to receive water that is in its purest form. And these countries will experience for the very first time an opportunity to taste pure water. They're used to drinking very polluted, dirty water full of diseases and toxins, and now they'll have an opportunity to have these machines come into their country and experience pure water in its purest form.
Also, the Zayex atmospheric water generator replaces the cumbersome and outdated water coolers of the past. That means no more lifting and spilling heavy water jugs, or having the need to store extra containers in your home or office.
We had these big 5-gallon containers that we actually had to place somewhere, and we didn't have anywhere to store them, so of course they were all scattered in their office. And now with Zayex water system, we are now container free.
And now, for no more than the amount you'll save by not buying bottled water or water cooler jugs, you have the opportunity to get started in a business that can change your life and make you money. Every time you show people the amazing Zayex water system, you'll get paid every week as they show people how to drink healthier and help the environment.
I have a difficult time keeping my mouth shut. I just want to get it out. And if you care about people, you truly do care about people, then why would you not talk about it?
And we really believe that finally there is something that can be put in our hands that we can help change the lives of other people. So that part of the opportunity is huge for us.
I love it, and I would do it if I didn't make money from it. That's the kind of business I'm in, because I know that I'm going to make a difference in people's lives.
And basically that's what I've done, is shared the machine with people. They come over, they drink the water. Well, where do I get one?
Imagine going to your mailbox and every week you're getting checks, increasing as your business grows, giving you the opportunity to earn a greater income than you've ever experienced before.
Not only can I help people with their health, I can help people with their economic health, and that is extremely rewarding.
You can start your journey to becoming debt-free, spending more time with your family, and building a financial legacy for future generations.
I can stay at home, work my business from home, and be with my family. That is the most important thing to me.
And that's a lot different than a 9-to-5 job where, you know, you got to punch the clock, you got to wait for your boss to tell you what to do and when to go home. It's just a lot different, a lot more flexibility, and enjoy the life.
Once you go out and build a team or organization of people, then you know, you're reaping the benefits of that income for months and years to come. So it's true residual income coming to you whether you actually go out and work or not.
Get with the person who shared this opportunity with you to learn how you too can take control of your life and start living the lifestyle you've always dreamed.
I'm able to help my children. I'm able to help my church. I'm able to do so many things that I only thought about doing, and now I can.
You owe it to yourself to give it a try, because there's nothing like having time, freedom. There's nothing like having unlimited residual income coming into your life, and you'll be able to take care of your family, your friends, those around you that are looking to you to help them change their lives.
You just say, I can. You know, this is the first day of the rest of your life. You know, I can do it.
If I can do it, you can do it.